Hello everyone, welcome to Zero to Flutter. If you are thinking about learning app development in 2026, then you are in the right path. Today we are going to build a beautiful focus timer with ambient sound using ChatGPT and Google Antigravity. Both are free tools and we are starting completely from the scratch. So in this video we'll set up things properly and generate a clear plan using ChatGPT, and we will do vibe coding using Google's anti-gravity. Before we start, make sure you have Flutter installed and anti-gravity installed. I already have Flutter set up and there is a separate video for that, and I will link it in the description. Anti-gravity is basically a VS Code style editor with built-in AI features. You can download it directly from the website. The link is in the description. So you can select your OS and download it. It is way too easy to install, so I won't be covering it in this video. So now let's start with the project setup. Click on this open folder and create a new folder. We'll name it focus timer, and we will open this folder. So trust. Before writing any code, I would like to get a context and a development plan. This keeps things focused and avoids random features. I'll give ChatGPT a single prompt that describes the entire app and ask it to generate all the files. So link to the prompt will be given in the description. So I'll give ChatGPT a single prompt that describes the entire app and ask you to generate two files, a context.md and a development plan.md file. We'll generate this file in the next step and then start building a UI in later. So we have our context.md file created and also the development plan.md file. Give me both files but inside a folder. So what it does is it makes us easier to copy the code. It makes us easier to copy these contents. Yes, we got the file, so I will copy it and I will open anti-gravity. We'll create a new folder named docs, and one will be context.md. My bad. MD and development plan.md. So go to the context.md, paste this. So we have both files here. We will remove every other structure because that one is for development plan.md. I just copied that and paste it on development plan.md. So we don't need this first line. Yeah, basically it has started. So what I will do right now is we'll use planning mode and we use Gemini 3 Pro. So it basically uses higher AI tokens, so use it accordingly. I will ask for it to generate a based on, you need to give at the rate to define the files. So generate the app based on context.md and at the rate development plan.md. I need the app in Flutter and create Flutter direct Flutter project directly in this folder. So I'll press enter and the next step is just waiting. So it is planning for app development in the background. You can see what it is doing here. Just click on proceed. It runs all the commands that is required here. So we'll quickly start emulator. I have already discussed about the simulator setup in our old video. So I will just minimize this for right now. Give it some time to run. So basically next step is just accepting the changes. You can accept the changes right now, or let the AI complete coding, and then you can accept all of them later. And the next will be to run the app. You can use F5 button on your keyboard to run the app. So due to some technical issue, all the video that I recorded was without audio, so it won't be displayed in this video, but so you can check the video in the description on how to run the app. And then the next thing we will do is just see if we are getting see if we are getting the UI that we wanted, and if not, we need to detailedly prompt the AI and send the message. If you feel the model you are using dumb, then you can change the model also. It is the second button below the chat UI. So that's all for today. If you are learning Flutter in 2026, you are on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next videos. See you later. Thanks.